A unit of life, a unit of a culture, to be more specific, is a concept. And specifically, it's a solved puzzle. It's the identification of a problem which arose in a specific way of life, and the naming of it, and the institution of a series of related practices organized around that solution. So that's what a concept is. Now, in the capacity of a teacher, Vygotsky knew that real conceptual knowledge can only be acquired when it's a means to the solution of a problem. And this was an insight that he used in designing the blocks experiment as well. It wasn't enough to expose people to different sets of blocks, blue squares and red circles and big ones and little ones, and then ask them later, did they remember? It really was just not a useful way. But when the subjects of the experiment had to form groups of blocks in order to solve the problem that they were confronted with, then you had the beginnings of seeing how people formed concepts. So it applies even to the concepts of preconceptual life. But for example, the doctor's only going to understand some particular distinction in the diagnostic manual when they're confronted with it as a solution to a problem of understanding someone's healthcare. That a young electrician will only understand the reason for putting the screw in this way or that way when it solves the problem. Okay, so that's what a concept is. It's identification of a problem and the solution that goes with it, or the solution and the problem that goes with it, within a specific system of practice or institution. Because if you don't have some system of practice, then problems never arise, because people just do something else. It's only